Hello dear students, this particular session will introduce you how to mark your attendance for the examination which might have been scheduled by your teacher. So I'm using a student account. Say this is a temporary account created for me. So let us assume that this is your user ID and you entered your password on sppumoodle.univ.ac.in. After entering your user credentials, username and password correctly, it will permit you to log in. So this is the course that you have opted for the exams. So here one can see there are multiple options shown over here. Okay, so if you click on dashboard, which is the default screen shown to you, this would be recently accessed course. What is the course that you accessed recently would be shown over here, and the different courses for which you are registered or you enrolled yourself would be shown here. Fine. So we will go with this particular course which I want to attempt the exam. So you will see this kind of UI rather. So say this is added by you. This is your course. Okay. So you click now. It is the instruction is given over here. Like say it says every student who wants to opt this course examination should mark his attendance. So I will click on this attendance, and then I will get this kind of screen. So I will go with because it is between, say for example, exam is scheduled between 5 to 6. So I will submit attendance by clicking over here. So if I want to record my attendance, I will click on this present as a student and I will say save changes. Okay, so if you carefully see over here, one thing that I want to show, until and unless you mark your attendance, this would not be available to you. Correct? This exam would not be available to you. So if I will click on this attendance, I will submit attendance and I will say present, and then I save the changes. Okay, now my attendance would be recorded over here. Okay, so it says self recorded. Then click on your course which is shown over here. So for example, exam course. Now you will see that this test is available to you. Now you start attempting your exam. There would be time, duration, everything would be shown. Some instructions might have been added by your teacher over there as well. So you click on this attempt quiz now and then click on start attempt. And then let us assume that there are few questions shown to you. You have to always keep attention towards this time left for your exam. So when you are done, like with assumption, as this is a test case test created by me, so I will go with next. So when you attempt a question, this would be shown to you. When you go to next question, you can click on. Subsequently, you can jump to any question, but it is permitted rather, so not a problem. Okay, so you can click on the options, whatever the options that you want. Okay, and so let us assume that I don't want to solve rest of the questions. Okay, so I will click on either of the questions, say for a while, and I don't want to solve any question now. I will say finish attempt, and because I don't know answers of the remaining questions. I solved these 5, say for example. So it will show you which answers are saved and which answers are not answered by. Say for example, question 4, 5, 6 is not answered. So this is recorded. 7, your answer is saved. Fine. Now click on, if you want to change your options, you can return to the attempt provided time left is over there. Okay. Now if you don't want to return to your attempt, you simply say submit and finish. So when you finish this, the test will end for you. So it will show you the time when you finished your test. So you can go back to your course. And now if you try attempting this one more time, then it will say, because attempt is only one, it will show that instruction over here, attempt allowed only one, and when you exactly you submit it. Fine. So this is how you can record your attendance. Thank you very much.